In this video, I will be creating a new metric in Ambition using the Ideal Salesforce report. If you have not watched our video about creating the Ideal Salesforce report, I encourage you to go watch that video first. For our example today, I will be creating a metric called New Business Closed Won. In order to create a new metric, you will navigate to Administration, Integrations, the Settings button under your Salesforce integration, and then click Add under the Metric Library section. You will be greeted with a blank Metric Builder form. Here I have opened my Ideal Salesforce report next to the Ambition Metric Builder form. In the first section, Basics, you will create a name for the metric, write a brief description, and add a link to the source of truth. For this metric, the name will be New Business Closed Won. And just keep in mind that the metric name can be updated at any time after metric creation. Our description will be all new business opportunities that have reached the close won stage. Then finally, I will copy the URL or web address from the Ideal Salesforce report and paste it in the source of truth field. Linking the report is essential to quickly validate data in the future. In the next section, Object and Fields, you will start by selecting the Salesforce object related to this metric. Since we are wanting to look at opportunity records, we will select the opportunity object. Once selected, some additional fields will appear. Next, you will select the user field. This will determine which user receives credit for the given metric. Select the user field that is indicated on your source of truth. In our example, this is the opportunity owner field. Then, select the date field. This will determine when the user receives credit for the given metric. Again, select the date field that is indicated on your source of truth. In our example, this is the close date field. The metric type field allows you to tell Ambition how to handle incoming records. You can select if incoming records will simply be counted, or if a specific field will be summed or averaged. Our New Business Closed Won metric will be a simple count of the incoming records from Salesforce. In the Formatting section of the Metric Builder form, you can indicate to Ambition how you would like for your metric to be displayed. Number, currency, percentage, and duration formats are available. For our count type metric, we will be displaying our metric total as a number. In the last section, Filters, you will be adding filters to the metric logic in order to align the Ambition metric with the data captured in your Salesforce report. In our Ideal Salesforce report, we have two filters added. Opportunity type equals new business and stage equals closed won. To add these filters, first select the field opportunity type, the operator equals, and the value new business. Then you'll do the same for the stage filter. Stage equals and closed won. Before saving and making the metric live in Ambition, you can use our spot check tool to validate the data. All you need is a user and date to spot check Salesforce data with. Since we grouped our Ideal Salesforce report by owner and close date, we can quickly pull out a name and date to spot check. Let's spot check for the user Ryan on August 21st, 2020. Based on our Salesforce report, we expect the total to be 1. As expected, Ambition is showing a total for 1. And now that we are feeling more confident about this metric, we can close the spot check tool. Click Save, and make this metric live in Ambition. Keep in mind that a new metric will only start tracking data from the moment it is created moving forward. If historical data is needed to backfill a metric, then you will need to reach out to gethelp@ambition.com. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about the information that we covered, please feel free to reach out to us at gethelp@ambition.com.